Wow, what beautiful weather. There are almost no clouds in the sky. The sun warmed our whole room with its rays. It is very warm here. All right, I do not want to waste a day. I am going to play outside. Oh, I know. I will take my plane with me. But where is it? Katie Bear, have you seen my remote-controlled plane? Have you played with it?
I did not see it. You will not let me play with your toys. I do not touch them.
What happened to it? It is not here. Maybe it is under the bed? Ooh, I found the remote control. That means the plane must be here somewhere.
My bears, what are you still doing at home? You should go outside. The weather is beautiful today. Can I bring my dolls with me? Of course, you can. Just be careful you do not lose them. Okay.
Mom, I cannot find my plane.
Little bear, I told you to put your toys away when you are done playing. If you did that, you would not have to look for it now.
I know.
But don't be sad. I saw your plane in the hallway downstairs. You must have left it there while you were playing outside.
Really? Great, Mom, thank you.
Just remember to put it back in your room when you're done playing.
I will do it. Where is that plane? Mom said she saw it here. Oh, so that's where you hid. Why don't you want to fly? Start flying. Maybe it broke. I will show it to my dad. He will fix it for sure.
Polo, what happened?
My plane won't fly. It doesn't respond when I press buttons.
Oh my, what a shame. But go to your dad, maybe it can be repaired.
I hope so.
Fingers crossed.
Dad, my plane broke down.
Are you sure? How is it possible that it broke?
It doesn't work. I tried to turn it on, but nothing.
I hope you managed it carefully.
Of course.
Maybe it just got worn out? Our Polo has had this plane for as long as I can remember. He always played with it.
As far as I remember, he got it as a gift from his
Dad,
grandparents.
please fix it.
Maybe I know why it doesn't work.
Alright, you guys go tinkering while I go shopping. I need fresh products for tonight's lunch. Have fun.
Wait, Polo. I will be back.